Hi everybody, I'm Belle, KitchenAid's training specialist. And in this video, I'm going to take you through two new products. A new model stand mixer, the KSM 195, and also our newest attachment, which is the Shave Ice attachment. So first, let's start with the KSM 195. So this is replacing the 160, the KSM 160 model stand mixer. So this stand mixer comes with two bowls. You get your 4.8 litre stainless steel bowl, a beautiful brushed finished bowl with a lovely polished band along the top, ergonomic handle. And you also get a 2.8 litre bowl with this one as well. KitchenAid have updated the pouring shield on the KSM 195. It's got three little silicone grips which make the pouring shield fit nice and sturdy to the bowls, which is really, really handy. The 195 comes with 4 different accessories, so let me take you through them. So your standard wire whisk for all your aeration, your creams, your meringues. A dough hook for all your pizza doughs, bread doughs, pasta doughs. A flex edge beater comes with the 195. So the flex edge beater is your wooden spoon and also the spatula of the mixture. So anything you want to mix together, great for all your baking needs. And with the 195 mixer, you get the pastry beater. So this pastry beater is fantastic. It's also sold separately. You can do all your pastries, your short crust pastries, sweet crust pastries. So traditionally, and this is my job in the kitchen, I used to have to rub the butter through the flour for my grandma for scones. The pastry beater does it for you. So traditionally, it's either hand or a food processor application, but now you can do it in the stand mixer. The pastry beater is also great for shredding your meats, so shredding your chicken for your tacos, your pulled pork, pulled beef. This does the job as well, and it also does fantastic mashed potatoes. So it's a very versatile little attachment. The attachments are also silver coated with the 195 instead of the white coated in the previous model. So a few little touches to the machine itself. So it's still exactly the same motor, all the features and benefits that we know and love from our previous models. This just has chrome covered little knobs, so on the thumb screw, and also your head lift and the speed control. It also has a very fine grey pinstripe on the trim band, which is quite a nice little touch. And it has a cord wrap. I'll just unplug this. So a lovely cord wrap for hiding that unsightly cord when you've got it pried in place on your bench. So I really love to be able to tuck that cord away. Is a great feature of this model mixer as well. So let me talk to you now about the Ice Shave attachment. So this is proving a very popular attachment in the KitchenAid range. The Ice Shave attachment comes with two different blades. So you get a fine blade for that snow-like texture ice shave, and also a coarser blade which does more ice chips, so great for your drinks and your cocktails. It comes with 4 molds, so I've got 2 here, but 4 molds to freeze your pucks, as we call them. So you can, I've got just water in here, but you can freeze a lot of different things. Pureed, so fruits, and so I love lychee. Lychee was one of our really popular ones to demonstrate the flavor's beautiful. Peach, mango, whatever you'd like, you can make a puree and just pop them into your molds and pop them into your freezer for up to 6 hours. So I'm going to attach my Ice Shave to my mixer, remove my bowl, put that to the side, attaches onto the multi-purpose attachment hub, and this little sleeve just pops off down here. So I've got the fine blade in here, and I'm just going to release my puck from its mold. There's a little cross in the molds, and the little cross has to face upwards. So I'm going to pop that into my container. Very simple to use. There's a little arrow here. You just pop that up under the unlock part of the padlock, and then why is that not going? And then just click that into place. I'm going to pop a bowl underneath. And then we turn the mixer to speed 10 when we're doing this. I'm going to release this little lever here, which just pushes a little pusher onto your puck, which then pushes the ice down for shaving. So I'm going to plug the machine back in again and then turn it to speed 10. So this is a nice, fine, icy, snow-like shave. Okay, so you can see that one puck actually does quite a lot of ice. So then you can put your flavoring on that as well. But I really love doing the fresh fruit purees. A lot more of a healthier alternative. Great for kids, for your families. So the ice shave, I think, is going to be a really popular attachment, and I hope all your customers love it. Thank you.